Hey guys, I just got a new vlogging lens for my camera as well as a new tripod holder thingy, and I was excited to try it, so I thought I would sit down and try to do a little chat video with you. I'm gonna go out and check the chickens real quick, and I do need to go over and water the garden. Today the weather is very nice. It's like high of 76, so super refreshing, but the sun is shining. But next week it's supposed to get really hot, so back up above 100, which we're not looking forward to. We've already had enough of that for the summer, but anyways, gonna try to enjoy being outside as much as possible now and let the garden get good and watered so it's all ready to handle the heat. Well, hello chickens. Somebody left your bucket in there. They're not supposed to do that. I didn't bring any food with me. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. What are you all doing under there? Just hanging out? It's not even hot out here yet. Got my afternoon coffee and enjoying some chicken TV. So probably the most exciting new development in our life right now is that Autumn got her very first job. She is so excited. She has wanted a job for a long time, and she tried really hard when she was 15 to find somewhere that would hire her, and she just had no luck getting anything. So as soon as she turned 16, she started applying for different places. Her first interview was at Jamba Juice, never heard back from them. Second interview, she interviewed at Starbucks, which that would have been really exciting if she'd gotten a job there. But again, never called her back, very disappointing. And then her third interview was at Subway, and they pretty much offered her the job at the end of the interview. So that was really exciting. So she just finished her first week of work, and she absolutely loves it. She really, really needed it. She needed just more to do outside of the house. She's the oldest, and there's a big gap between her and Talia. And so she's the oldest by a lot, and she just really needed something of her own away from the kids, just to not be one of the kids for a little while. And if you guys have watched my videos for a while and you know her at all, you know that she loves to bake and she loves to cook, and she just loves food prep and especially making food for other people. And she's wanted to have a job in some kind of a food service for a long time. I remember when she was like, I don't know, 6, she told me that she wanted to open her own cafe, and she had all these ideas about, or restaurant, all these ideas about the kind of restaurant that she was going to open. So that has been something that she's wanted to do for a long time. So Subway is perfect. She gets to make sandwiches. The other thing about Autumn is that she is an artist, and she loves art and painting, all kinds of different art. She does animation online and all different mediums. But she said she would love to make a living as an artist one day, and at Subway they call their workers sandwich artists. So I was joking with her that she's finally made it. She's finally living her dream of being a professional artist. I also wanted to give you a little bit of an update, or not really an update, but just our thoughts and plans as we try to expand our farm. So of course you guys have all seen lots about the chickens, and we're getting those, situated, and we're getting acclimated to what it means to have chickens and to take care of them. And that's all going great. And the next animal on our list that we want to add to the farm is goats. We're still in the collecting information phase of getting goats, but it's interesting. Our neighbors who live, there's a road that goes next to our house. It's an easement road, and they live back behind us. And we got to go visit them at their place the other day, and the gal actually has rescued goats for many, many years. It's like from people that breed goats for show and stuff. If the goat isn't exactly what they wanted, it doesn't really get taken care of. I don't know all the details, but she saves these goats that are unwanted, and has given many happy lives to goats, and they had 2 goats up there now, and so we got to meet them. And she's like, her husband calls her the goat guru, because she just knows everything there is to know about having goats and taking care of goats. So that was really, really interesting and really fun to visit with them and learn about that. But we're still considering like what kind we want, and then we also need to find where to get them. We don't have like a source yet, so we're still trying to figure out, you know, where we want to go for that. It's not like we need show caliber goats. We're not going to be showing them or anything like that. We want them for the farm. We want the kids to be able to raise them. We want them to be able to eat brush, to keep brush down in different areas. So we want to be able to move them around as needed. So we're just trying to figure out what the best course of action is there. But that is what's going to be coming up in the future. So hopefully you guys will get to see a lot of fun goat videos. We would really like to get baby goats so that the kids can bottle feed them, and we hear that helps the goats not be so crazy, and they're, you know, more comfortable around people if they've been bottle fed. So we're looking forward to that. That'll be really exciting. Let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to update you guys on. Things are going well. We're enjoying the summer here on the farm. We've been here for about 3.5 months, and we're just loving it. We have a lot of things we want to do, like a lot of things that need to get finished in the house, and then of course like things like adding goats and getting things going, getting a bigger garden going for next year. And sometimes it can feel like frustrating that we can't just do it, you know? Like, I'm the kind of personality that when I want to do something, I just want to put my head down and just work until it's done. And with this kind of thing, you just can't do that, especially with my husband and his work schedule. He's so busy with work right now, which is wonderful, but that means he doesn't have a lot of time to put into the property here. So it's just like a waiting game, just waiting for him to have the opportunity to do certain things. And I'm, you know, getting done as much as I can that I can do, but I am busy with raising children and keeping up with YouTube and all the other things that go on with life. Oh, I am going to be busy this fall. I had hoped to take a year off tutoring with our homeschool co-op. I have talked about my homeschool co-op a little bit, but not a ton recently, but we are in a homeschool co-op called Classical Conversations. Now it's really getting windy. I really hope that's not too annoying. But we basically meet with our co-op once a week, one day a week, and then we kind of learn the new curriculum and what the memory work is going to be for the next week, and we do some things together as a group, like science experiments and stuff. And then we are at home the rest of the week, and we teach at home the rest of the week. And so when we meet together the one day a week, which is Mondays, the kids break up in classes depending on their age, and they're called tutors. A tutor gets each class. They don't call them teachers because the teachers are the mothers or the fathers that teach their children at home. So in the class, the teacher is called the tutor. So anyways, I had hoped to take a year off of being a tutor because I did it last year, and it was really fun, but it's obviously work and takes some dedication and effort, and I'd wanted to take a year off so that I could focus on the property and just, you know, not feel overwhelmed with too much to do. But when you're part of a co-op, you have to kind of step in and do what's needed in order for things to happen, because if people don't step up to do stuff doesn't happen. And they had only 4 tutors and they needed 6, and we're like, I don't know, 5 or 6 weeks away from starting, so it was coming down to the wire. And so I just last week agreed to be a tutor for the year. So I'm going to be doing that, and I am looking forward to it. It will be fun. I always like it, but yeah, I just hope it's not too terribly stressful. I think Jeff is on the quad. Oh, there they go. Here they come. There they go. Let's check on them and see what they're up to. What you doing?
We're gonna stick the chicken coop.
Oh, another roost?
I think so.
Nice.
Just getting a stick.
Nice.
No.
Just us chickens. You're probably saying something very rude in their language.
They're so nice.
You got your best friend?
Yes.
Does it have a name yet?
No, I just call it the lighter one, the lightest one.
I think you should
'Cause
give it a name.
The lightest in color.
Good enough for chicken feet.
Those two over there, the little bit bigger one that's closer is Nugget, right? And the one back behind there is Squirb. And then Renee has named all the other ones. That one's Thud, because it makes a loud thud when it comes down from the roost. It's not graceful at all. And then this one right here, which one is this one?
That's Arla, or she calls it Arla.
Yeah, it's Arla. Renee just thought of that name herself. And then the other one back there in the back is Finita. That was also Renee's name. She just thought those names, Arla and Finita, were so beautiful.
It's all the way in, right?
It
Yeah.
is.
Bringing the drill over here. It's not a drill.
It's a driver?
It's a screw gun.
Oh, the chickens are like, what's this?
All right. Those chickens sure love their roosts.
More sticks for more feet.
Should I close it?
Unless I'm gonna put one across the other side too.
Oh, you have more?
Well, I want to be prepared for the 10 new chickens.
Yeah.
I suppose we'd go find one more stick.
Yeah. We don't have a shortage of sticks around here.
But I didn't bring enough screws for one more.
Hmm.
I think I'll just do that one, but now I feel like I should do two.
Okay.
I'm snuggling with my baby.
Does that one have a name yet?
I want to name him Fry.
Fry?
Yes.
Like a French fry?
Yes.
Okay. Is that that's not the lightest one. Is it the medium one or the darkest one?
This is the darkest one.
The darkest brown pullet. We're gonna name Fry. Okay.
Crispy Fry.
Crispy Fry?
Yeah.
You're funny.
They're so big now. Now they can't even fit in the same box anymore.
Oh,
when
yeah.
we got them, they were so tiny.
Well, they're sleeping in the coop now. They don't have to fit in a box to sleep. They're big chickens now.
They couldn't even fit in the box when we got them. We got them in. Like they
Yeah, yeah. Oh, right. When we got them from Wilco.
Yeah, they
that
can
little
only fit.
cardboard box. Yeah, there were a lot of chicks in there, and now
They're like 10 times the
now
size they
only
used
one
to be.
could fit in there.
They're like 10 times the size they used to be.
Yep, they grow fast, huh? Alright, oh, I see. Right there. Oh, those chickens sure love to be up on their roost. They hardly ever are down on the ground in here. They're gonna be happy with that tonight when it's time for bed.
I stopped slowly, and I did it, and it didn't swear.
It didn't spill?
Yes,
Oh, good.
there's another over there.
Oh, where are they?
That way.
Oh, thank you. I must have forgotten.
Teddy's over that way.
Is she? Oh, yeah, she's over by the chickens.
Teddy's picking some chickens home.
She's picking some chickens to hold?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Teddy.
I'm here.
Don't come out. It's trying to go and eat it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it liked it. It tried it real quick. Oh my goodness, Charity. It's roosting on your arm.
He doesn't like it. And he's dead.
Yeah.
Maybe they don't. Oh, one turn for me. Oh, when it pooped.
Did it poop?
Yeah.
But remember to walk slowly towards them. If you go fast, they will be scared. Because you're a big Levi monster to them. Yeah, there. Get some water.
Oh. He said,
You have to get the water?
yeah. It was funny.
Oh, it's coming to see what you have for it.
Eat it. Ooh. You made it? He made that.
Oh, she liked it.
Maybe she made it.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah.
I think you're on the glasses. I got you something really cool.
You got on something really cool.